Hello everyone, this is Jimmy over here at FalconEye. We're going to be talking about the digital wireless backup camera system with one weatherproof, waterproof, night vision wireless camera and a 7-inch LCD. So you see that I am at the website here with this particular product. I'm going to kind of go through a little bit of the features and the product page, how to order it, and I'm actually going to show you a few of the parts so you can see it here on this video. Just want to thank you for visiting our website today, and hopefully this is informative. Always keep in mind you can call us Monday through Friday anytime, 972-600-1320. We're here available to help you with pre and post sale questions that you may have. So with this particular system, you see you have a waterproof, weatherproof wireless camera with a 7-inch high definition color LCD. If you want to see it physically, I actually have the camera that I can show you here. This particular camera has 20 infrared lights that you see here are illuminated, so when it gets dark at night, these will illuminate and will give you about 30 to 35 feet of visibility. This particular bracket that you see here, and you can see it here, this bracket can be installed underneath, or it can rotate to be on top of the camera as well. You'll see a power cable out the back of this camera. This power cable needs to be connected to 12 volt to 24 volt power, which will turn on the transmitter and the infrared lights. That's what powers up the camera system. If you don't have a power source close by, you can get a rechargeable, weatherproof, waterproof battery from us as an optional accessory, but most of the time you'll be able to find and tap into 12 volt power source. The wireless range from the camera to the LCD on this particular system is close to 250 feet in an open field. So pretty much any application you have out there, you should have no issues with getting a good reception, good picture in your truck, trailer, farming equipment, or whatever you might be using this particular system on. This system includes a 7-inch color LCD with a sun shield, and it also has a U-bracket mount. I have one to show you here that I can show it to you real quick. You got this U-bracket that goes underneath it, or you can rotate this U-bracket to go behind it, or this U-bracket can rotate to be above it. So depending upon how you want to install this LCD, it gives you multiple options. You also see you got buttons here to control the system. That allows you to rotate and go through various viewpoints. You also see the buttons here on the web page. If you look at the web page here, you have an option with this system that you can start with one camera. If you only need to review and view from one camera, that's an option. Or you can add a second, third, or fourth camera. This is something that you can do at any point. You could add those cameras now, in a month, in a year. This system is expandable to up to 4 wireless cameras, which is a real good option. This system also offers you the availability, if you want, to have a DVR, which stands for Digital Video Recorder. If you'd like to record from this particular system, you can add the DVR. I think it's about $40. You can see the price goes up right up here. Once I add the DVR, it's $40, and this will allow you to insert an SD card, and now your 1, 2, 3, or 4 videos, depending upon how many cameras you have connected, will record onto that SD card. Now you can prove what happened if you need to. The largest SD card that this system can use is a 128 gig SD card. A 128 gig card, if you maxed out with that particular size SD card, that would store around 20 hours or so of video, and then loop record, deleting old video with new video. You'll see here, this is the option for the batteries. If you'd like to have a portable camera, or you don't have a power source close by, you can get a rechargeable, weatherproof, waterproof battery. These batteries last about 10 to 12 hours, completely heavy duty and commercial grade construction, and they will offer with weatherproof and waterproof stability, so you can mount this battery anywhere you want. We do include an AC and DC adapter for the battery, so you can charge it in about 2 to 3 hours using your SIG charger or an AC outlet. And then we have these 60-pound magnets. If you want to have a camera that can be moved and portable from location to location, you can add a magnet to the camera and a magnet to the battery. Therefore, you get two magnets. So if you had one camera set up and you want it portable, you'd want to get one battery with two magnets. That's a 60-pound magnet, which means it can hold 60 pounds before it will become dislodged. So it's super strong, super durable. It's not going to come dislodged in any type of driving that you participate in. You're actually going to have to use decent amount of force to dislodge that. You have an option on warranties. 1-year warranty is our standard manufacturer defect that covers you for a year, but you can add a 3-year warranty. That's what I recommend. I think you should skip over the 2-year and go to 3-year because it's not much more expensive. That 3-year warranty covers anything and everything. You literally could run the unit over with the lawnmower and get a brand new unit with no deductible. And the warranty, as you see, the price is $249 with the warranty. It's $47.99. So it's not too bad at all. And then you have option of some magnets that if you want to add to your equipment or your truck, letting customers know that you have cameras. It's kind of like signs you'd put in front of your house, letting people know you have an alarm. It kind of helps vandals and thieves maybe stay away from your equipment. So these are the various options that you can do as you add accessories or remove accessories. You see your price changes up here. This is going to be your price before the discount. You'll see at the top of the website, today we have this winter sale, but typically we always have some sort of sale that goes anywhere from 8 to 10% off, maybe 12% off at times, maybe a little bit more occasionally. But you can add this discount as you are checking out, and you'll get this discount. And then we have down here, we have all the specs that I kind of covered. 200 to 300 foot range of the wireless range. On the LCD, you can display 1, 2, or 4 cameras at a time, depending upon how many cameras you have, and you can rotate through those views very easily with the touch of the button. If you have 2 cameras, for example, you can have it in split screen and then press a button and you can isolate a particular camera to show full screen, and you can move from location to location very, very easily. You'll see the video resolution for the cameras is close to 720p, and the angle is 120. That gives you a very good wide angle on it, but it's not so wide that it's going to decrease the size of objects. Whatever you see is going to look at the proper size orientation. If you get too wide, then objects are actually smaller than they appear. So that's something to keep in mind. The cameras are heavy duty, waterproof, weatherproof, commercial grade, completely metal. You could get your camera again. You could hit this thing, bang this thing. It's 100% metal, completely commercial grade. So super strong and super durable. These are the batteries that we talked about that you can add and more. So you can kind of go through the website. We also have a couple other things. Here's all the specs. You can kind of see how the battery compares in size to a quarter. Gives you kind of an idea on that. And here's the specs of the camera and the monitor. This is everything that's included. You get the camera, you get the 7-inch screen with the sun shield, you get a cigarette lighter adapter for the monitor. So the monitor you can actually plug in to a SIG charger, or you can plug that monitor directly into a 12-volt power source. We have a dash mount. That's that U-bracket mount I talked to you about and showed you earlier. Here's some of the accessories. And here's our instruction manuals, instructional videos on how to use the camera system. All this is available. So thanks for watching today. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about this system. If you did want to get it in at a 2-camera option, you can add a second camera here, or you also can look at, we have this product page where we have this in a 2 to 4 cam system. This particular product is the exact same product. It just starts at 2 and goes up to 4. So thanks for watching today. Give us a holler if you need anything else. 972-600-1320. Have a great day. God bless.